Pakistan. This is where you're going to see it on the Star Network. Last time Pakistan beat India was in 2022. India can't forget that. Pakistan too should remember that, because you need to go in to a contest such as that with happy memories.
Yeah, that was a huge boost for Pakistan, and even for Nida Dar, she did mention that she was happy she was a player of the match. That gives a boost. They need to carry that momentum.
Oh, talk about that innings. Talk about the flair, the class, the dominance, the drives. Anything outside off has been driven through covers. Anything on the stumps has been dispatched with disdain. She has pulled with elan, and she has stayed there at the crease, as solid as a rock. Stroke making, shot selection, and that is the win. A win that has eluded them for so many years is finally theirs to hug. Victory is sweeter when it comes after a lot of struggle. Enjoy this moment, Nepal. It belongs to you. Hug this win, Nepal. Tighter. It belongs to you.
What a moment. They have written the history here. The first match of the Women's Asia Cup, Nepal has beaten UAE by 6 wickets. And you have to give credit to that 24 years old Samjana, scoring 72, just a 45. She absorbed all the pressure, took the responsibility, and these are superb scenes. They deserve that win. They were clinical in bowling, fielding, and look at that. What this means to them, you can see that on your screens.
Oh, they've waited, they've tried, they've failed. But as they always say, a failure is not somebody who falls. A failure is somebody who does not rise after falling. It is impossible to live life without having failed at something unless you live it so cautiously. You may not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default. You brave hearts, you deserve it. Let those tears flow. Let that win come and embrace you one more time. Look at that. How much it means. This is an ocean of emotions at the moment, and we can understand it. Who better than you to tell us?
Oh, I can feel the goosebumps right now. The Nepalese have been creating ripples all over, whether it's men's cricket or women's. And what we witnessed today is nothing short of superb effort from Nepal. They believed it. They executed it in the middle. You can see those tears from Indu Verma. She said that it is a chaseable target, but the batters need to deliver, and that's exactly what Samjana has done.
72 runs, 45 balls, 11 fours with a strike rate of 160. You would love to take a look at that winning moment yet again. Short, she swivels, she pulls, she gets a 4. That is a victory we've been waiting for so many years. The fist pump is out. The jog turns into a sprint, and why not?
That flag deserves all the hype tonight, today. Deserve this. You can see the emotions. They've worked so hard over the years to reach and to celebrate this very moment. Each and every player believed in their team, in their ability, and they have delivered for their nation.
From this day onwards, they'll feel better about their ability, because they finally got the win. Because sometimes what a loss does is it can deplete your strength and your motivation. But here they have embraced the win, and suddenly the belief will come back and the motivation will be back. They have gone past superior opponents because they played like a unit. Strong alone, unstoppable together. Alone you can do so little. Together you can do so much. The power of unity, the power of Nepal.
It's just the beginning for them. Just the beginning. You can see a lot of potential there. And rightly so, they have delivered it. Writing the history. UAE, on the other hand, will have a little think about in terms of batting, bowling and fielding. But that 124-year-old, what a superb